Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to share an easy recipe of egg which is known as egg fingers. Egg fingers are really easy to make and delicious to eat. So let's get started. So here I have taken 6 eggs. Crack it into a big bowl. Now add 1 big onion chopped, half tablespoon of salt, handful of coriander leaves. So here if you don't like the taste of coriander leaves, you can skip this step. Pinch of black pepper, 1 chopped green chili. Beat it well to create the smooth texture of egg. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan, heat it on a medium flame. Now pour the egg batter into the pan. Allow it to cook until set on a medium flame. Cover the lid so that the omelette will become more fluffier. Now when the base frills up, scratch the edges and flip it to the other side. Now cook for 4-5 minutes until it's done. Now unmold it into a plate. Here you can see how beautifully it has come out from the plate. Now refrigerate it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cut it in the shape of the finger. Also here, if you wish, you can cut the egg in vertical stripes or in finger cut. Now it's time to coat the egg finger. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of maida. If you don't want to add maida, you can add rice flour. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now add water gradually. Make it a semi-thick paste like this. Now dip the egg fingers into the flour batter. Here you can dip one by one, or at a time you can take 2 or 3 egg fingers. Now coat it well with the breadcrumbs and repeat the process to coat all other remaining egg fingers. In this way, coat all the egg fingers. Now heat oil in a pan. Fry the egg fingers in a medium-high flame. Don't make the flame too high, otherwise the egg fingers will burn. Now keep flipping in between until it turns to golden brown. Now it's completely done. Take out the egg fingers from the pan to the plate. Now it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.